Love is one of the most powerful and sought-after emotions in the world. We all crave connection and intimacy with others, and there's nothing quite like the feeling of being in love. But what if you're struggling to find that special someone? Is there a way to make someone fall in love with you? While there's no guaranteed method for making someone fall in love with you, there are certain actions and behaviors that can increase the likelihood of developing a romantic connection. In this video, we will explore some tips and strategies that may help you in your quest for love. From showing genuine interest to practicing self-care, we will delve into the traits and actions that can help build trust, intimacy, and attraction. So if you're looking to find that special someone, watch on to discover how to make someone fall in love with you. Show genuine interest. One of the most effective ways to make someone fall in love with you is to show genuine interest in them. This means taking the time to listen to what they have to say, asking thoughtful questions, and paying attention to their needs and desires. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel seen and heard, so being a good listener can go a long way. Be confident. Confidence is an attractive quality, and people are naturally drawn to those who exude it. This doesn't mean being arrogant or boastful, but rather being comfortable in your own skin and projecting a positive self-image. If you believe in yourself and your abilities, others are more likely to believe in you too. Be authentic. In addition to confidence, authenticity is also an important trait to cultivate. People can usually sense when someone is being insincere or fake, and this can be a major turnoff. Be true to yourself and your values, and don't try to be someone you're not in order to impress someone else. When you're authentic, you're more likely to attract people who appreciate and respect you for who you are. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is not only important for your physical and mental health, but it can also make you more attractive to others. When you prioritize self-care, you show that you value yourself and your well-being. This can help you project confidence and positivity, which are both attractive qualities. Show kindness and empathy. Kindness and empathy are two of the most important qualities in any relationship, romantic or otherwise. Showing compassion and understanding can help build trust and connection, and can make the other person feel valued and appreciated. Practice acts of kindness, such as offering a helping hand or sending a thoughtful text, to show that you care. Be respectful. Respect is a crucial aspect of any healthy relationship. It involves treating the other person with dignity, listening to their opinions and beliefs, and being considerate of their feelings. When you show respect, you demonstrate that you value the other person as a human being, and this can help build trust and intimacy. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is essential in any relationship, and can help build a strong emotional connection. This involves not only listening attentively, but also expressing yourself clearly and honestly. When you communicate effectively, you show that you respect the other person enough to be open and honest with them. Be patient. Finally, it's important to be patient when it comes to matters of the heart. Love is not something that can be forced or rushed, and it often takes time to develop. Be patient and focus on building a strong emotional connection, rather than trying to rush things or push the other person into feeling a certain way. While there is no guaranteed way to make someone fall in love with you, there are certain actions and behaviors that can increase the likelihood of developing a romantic connection. Remember to be true to yourself and your values, and trust that the right person will come along at the right time.